So they say that between so what they say is that 74% of people between the ages of 18 and 44 have some kind of a digestive issue, and it seems like no one ever solves their digestive issues. It's like they go to the medical doctors, they go to holistic doctors, and no one can ever fix digestive issues, and they just say that it is something that you have to live with. You just have to learn to cope with it. But I beg to differ because I fixed my own digestive issues, and I've helped a lot of people fix their own digestive issues now. And I know there's a proven way to do it. You just need to know what you're doing, and it's actually pretty straightforward. But there's so much fluff everywhere, and people are given the wrong advice. We often hear that you should take a lot of fiber, but that makes the thing so incredibly much worse. And there is a time and place for fiber, but a lot of people get themselves a lot worse by taking fiber rather than better. So let's say that you're being exposed to toxins, for example, or whatever other reason why your immune system might be overactive. If your immune system is always overactive, trying to defend against whatever toxins are coming into your body, the bacteria in your digestive tract, they see this as an opportunity to take over places where they shouldn't be, like your small intestine, for example, and then your throat, and then your nose, and then your ears and your eyes. But it starts with your small intestine, and the small intestine should be sterile. It shouldn't be any bacteria living there, barely any bacteria living there. And so when they grow, they eat the food that you eat, they eat the fiber that you eat, they create toxins as a natural byproduct of making energy in your digestive tract, and those toxins are called lipopolysaccharides, and they break your intestinal wall, so toxins can leak out into your bloodstream, goes into your brain, gives you depression, and your liver have to detox everything and try to get it out. But your liver is not fast enough to be able to get rid of all these toxins, so therefore all other systems in your body shut down, trying to conserve energy. But the way that you solve it is, first of all, avoid fiber at all costs, because it's feeding the bacteria and you don't want to feed them even more so that they grow even more, which is the first massive mistake that I see people do. You want to bind the toxins that are already in your gut. You can do that by taking activated charcoal, bentonite clay, or cholestyramine. And when you have bound the toxins, you have a better starting point. And then you can start killing off the bacteria in the wrong places. You can do that by taking oregano oil, garlic, or aspirin. And after you kill them, you're going to get a little bloated. You're going to feel like there's more toxins in your body. And then you can take activated charcoal again to bind to the toxins. And then you take something like magnesium or potassium, for example, to get water into your digestive tract so you don't get constipated. You want to get the shit out of you as fast as possible. And then you keep doing that. You keep repeating. You keep taking oregano oil, killing off some bugs. Then you take activated charcoal to bind to the toxins. Then you take more oregano oil, and then you bind to the toxins with activated charcoal. And you keep doing that, and eventually your gut will be fixed, and there won't be any bacteria living in places where they shouldn't be living.